Hello friends, Om Saraswati Mibhyaya Namaha, Om Namo Saraswati Mibhyaya. So right now I am just origin of the Saraswati river, which is started and flowing or originated from the Mana village, which is considered to be the first village of India, which is located 3 km away from the Badrinath temple and 20 to 22 km uh, away from the Indo-China Tibetan border. So let's see the view of the Saraswati origin river. So it's a very great place. Today I am feeling here because of the curse of the Mahasi Ved Vyas. Saraswati river disappeared from the earth. So nowadays it's visible only in Mana village, which is originated from the here, and after 500 meter it is going to confluence with the Alaknanda river. Because of the Saraswati river is a tributary of the Alaknanda river flowing in Uttarakhand, state of Chamoli district, and is joined Alaknanda river at the Keshav Prayag in Mana village just after 500 meter. So which is oriented from the Har Ki Dun glaciers in Garhwa region. So there is also one of the most beautiful Saraswati temple, which is also here, because we know that very well Saraswati temple, which the Saraswati is one of the main Vedic and Puranic goddess of the Hinduism, who is the goddess presiding goddess of the music, art, speech, motherhood, spirituality, learning and knowledge, scripture, wisdom and learning. So Basant Panchami is one of the most popular festival of Mahasaraswati, is the festival of goddess Mahasaraswati, and even so it's a very natural place, and I am feeling so awesome here after visiting. And this is one of the most beautiful idol of the goddess Mahasaraswati in the just like inside the cave at the origin point of the Saraswati river in Mana village, close to the Bhim pool. So it is a very sacred place also. Many more tourists and devotees of all over across our country are coming to visit Badrinath and Mana village, along with the Saraswati temple, Ved Vyas temple and lots of places which is popular here. So even lots of places are popular in the Mana village, such as the both Ganesh caves and Ved Vyas caves, then Vasundhara waterfall, Satupant lake, Bhim pool, Saraswati temple, etc. and many more. And one is the Mahabir temple also, which is popular in Mana village. So right now I am just exploring everything here in Mana village. So I also see a place of Mahagoddess Saraswati in this temple, and let's see, I just came to visit the Mahasaraswati temple, and this is one of the most beautiful idol, along with the so many idols of God and Goddess regarding the Vishnu, Krishna and the lots of idols in this Saraswati temple also. So I am going to explain about that. So even Goddess Saraswati in Japan also worshipped as the Benjaiten, who also called as a Benjaiten, and originated from the Hindu goddess Saraswati. Worship of Benjaiten in Japan began in the 6th to 18th century, and many through Chinese translator of Sutra of the Golden Light worshipped in the Japan. And this is one of the most beautiful idol just in front of the idol of the Mahasi Ved Vyas, and this is the idol of the Mahabir Hanuman. And second sign, the Ganesh of the idol, there is a idol of the Lord Ganesha also. And this is the idol of Krishna and Radha, and this is the idol of the Sant Tukaram, who was one of the very great saint, and this is the idol of the Lata Mangeshkar. So because we know very well, Lata Mangeshkar is also considered as the one of the greatest icon singer, who was also considered the Mahasaraswati, like, because she know very well about the music and arts and singing. So we know about that Lata Mangeshkar was an Indian playback singer and occasional music composer, who was one of the greatest and most influential singer of the Indian subcontinent, and her contributions to the Indian music industry in a career spanning 8 decades gained her honorary titles such as the Queen of Melody and the Nightingale of India, as well as the Voice of the Millennium, and who was born in Indore, a state during the British Empire in 1126 and died in Maharashtra in Mumbai in 2022. So even we also know about Sant Tukaram, who was a great Hindu Marathi saint of बरकर
Friends, right now I am at the origin point of the Saraswati river where everyone used to also went heaven like the Pandavas including the Draupadi, Nakul, Sahadev, Bhim, Arjun and Yudhishthir. So this is the best place that is called as the door of the heaven because they went through this place to door including the one dog. So let's see and learn lots of things. And this is the place only one point where Saraswati is visible at the origin of the river, which is in Mana village, that is considered as the first village of India, which is located in Chamoli district close to the Badrinath Chardham, which is one of the Chardham of India. So let's see and learn lots of things. Thank you so much.
So it is the place. This is a dog along with the Yudhishthir and all over the Pandavas that I am visiting right now, because it is believed that the greatest Pandavas crossed through Mana on their final journey to heaven, and there is a stone bridge called Bhim Pool near the Saraswati river, which is said to have built by Bhima himself to help his wife Draupadi, who was crossed the Saraswati river, and which is called Swargarohini, the staircase of heaven. So the final journey is known as the Mahaprasthantrika Parv, which is said to have been their final ascent to the attain salvation here after doing meditation in Kedarnath and Badrinath. So their wife Draupadi was the first to fail after crossing the Saraswati river, and the Vasundhara Falls, where Sahadev, one of the Pandava brothers, also fell and died after the Draupadi also followed by the Nakula, and Arjuna was the fourth person to die, and
Hello
Bhima
friends.
was the next, and
So,
in end
आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आ रहा होगा। पूरा हिमालय, केदारनाथ, बद्रीनाथ, माना, द फर्स्ट विलेज ऑफ इंडिया और ऐसे बहुत सारे जगह है जो यूनिक मैं घूमा हूँ, जैसे कि अमरनाथ और बहुत सारे लेह लद्दाख, कारगिल। सो आई होप मेरा आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आ रहा होगा। सो प्लीज़ मेरा यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि मुझे फॉलो करते रहें, और ऐसे ही बहुत सारे नए नए वीडियो मैं अपलोड करता रहूँगा। सारे हिस्टोरिकल प्लेस, एंशियंट टेम्पल्स, मोनूमेंट्स एंड लॉर्ड्स ऑफ द रीजन ऑफ हिमालयाज फ्रॉम द लेह लद्दाख to the Kanyakumari, Rameswaram, Chennai, Madras, all over the places. So let's see and always explore together with me the every places, historical place and natural place in India from Himalaya to the Indian Ocean. Thank you so much. And stay and learn lots of things with me. So right now I am in Mana village, which is located 3 km away from the Badrinath temple and the 26 km away from the Indo-Tibetan border from the Mana gate. So it is one of the most beautiful place, which is also popular for origin of the Saraswati river, which is also visible from the here, because in anywhere India Saraswati river nowadays not visible, only visible at the origin point of Saraswati in Mana village. And also Saraswati river origin also popular because of the 5 Pandavas like Yudhishthir, Arjun, Bhim, Nakul, Sahadev, along with Draupadi visit this place and worship to Lord Shiva and then went through the heaven from this way. That is called as a liberation and the way to the heaven. So it is one of the most beautiful place, and also I am feeling so awesome here. So let's explore and really, and so I am feeling so awesome here. So let's explore to get me. Thank you so much. Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Purvarupamiva Sansthitam Mrityu Murtiyamamritam. Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Purvarupamiva Sansthitam Mrityu Murtiyamamritam. आपदा मातरम दातरम सर्व संपदाम लोकाभिराम श्री राम भूयो भूयो नमाम भद्राय रामचंद्राय वेदसे नुगताय पतये नमः नीलांबूल श्याम सीतार सुमिताम रघुवंशनाथम या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वासाधिके सर्वमं के गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते ओम भूरिदा भूरि देहिनो माधर्व्यम भूरिया भरा भूरि चिदिति ओम बुद्धा पेशुता पुता सुबिथरन अनो भगस्वरागसी ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नमः ओम विष्णवे नमः हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. Hello friends, how are you? So in this time I am in Mana village, which is called as a first village of India, which is located in Chamoli district in Uttarakhand, which is also visible. There is a one Saraswati river originated from the here along with the Alaknanda river also. And because of the Badrinath temple is also located on the top of the origin of the Alaknanda river in Chamoli district, 3 km away from the Mana village. And Mana village is also located the 26 km away from the Mana gate, close to the Indo-Tibetan border and so really it is a very good place. I am feeling so amazing here, and right now I am taking the rest of the parts of the Himalayas. So let's see how I am feeling right now here. And really it's a very good and unique place here. I am feeling, let's see, in my backside there is a mountain range that is too much on the height, and still I am on the more than 12,000 feet on the height from the sea levels. So this is the view of this place, and I am taking rest and fully enjoying here, and let's explore together with me.
And after Arjuna, Bhima was the next, and in end only Yudhishthir and a dog that had attained itself to the group of reached the heaven. And Draupadi died because of her love for Arjuna, and Bhima died for his gluttony, and Sahadev died because of his was proud of his wisdom, and Nakul died because of his vice was vanity throughout of his life, and Arjuna's sins was his pride too. So we already discussed about the Ved Vyas Gufa, where Mahabharata was composed and wrote by the Maharishi Ved Vyas, built with the help of Lord Ganesha, where Ganesh Gufa is also there. So I will visit the Ganesh Gufa. So right now I am just trekking the Himalaya region in Garhwar parts of the Himalaya in Chamoli district in Mana village. So really it is a good for me, and I am feeling so awesome here. It's a very natural place, and it is also good for the meditation. So it's a great place. I cannot explain that how I am feeling right now here. So I am just trekking here, and here you can see in my bike set there is lots of snow mountains also visible from the here, because this place will be closed after just 5 days before after Diwali because of the heavy snowfall and extreme cold weather condition. So it's a very neat and clean, we can see also, and blue sky is also totally visible from the here. So really I am so enjoying here in the natural wines, natural places, mountains and the open sky. So it's a great moment for me in Mana village. I am so happy here, and right now I am just origin of the Alaknanda river and Saraswati river in Mana village, just located close to the Vasundhara waterfalls and Satopanth lake. So let's see, there is lots of people's tree and banyan trees, which is so good for here, and it is best for meditation here because the cold winds are also blowing here, just like a flowing of the water which is flowing in Alaknanda river. And we can see our national flag tricolor that is called as a Tiranga also visible from the here, which is here located at lots of places in Mana, because it is one of the first village of India which is located only 22 km away from the Indo-Tibetan border, and even India's first shop also in Mana village. I think already I visited that places, so it is a great moment for me. Today I am feeling so awesome here, and we know about it.
So right now I am at the place where the Mahabharata, which was one of the largest epic in the world, written by the Maharishi Ved Vyas with the help of Lord Ganesha, at the same place where I am right now, going to visit this place in Mana village. So let's see and explore together with me. Thank you so much.
So this is the Ganesh Gufa where Mahabharata epic was written by the Maharishi Ved Vyas, because we already discussed about where Mahabharata was composed and wrote by the Maharishi Ved Vyas with the help of Lord Ganesha, where Ganesha Gufa is also there. And the Mahabharata is considered the largest epic in the world, made up of over 1 lakh slokas or over 2 lakhs verses line, which written in Sanskrit during the Vedic period dating back around 400 BC. So Mahabharata is about the Pandavas and Kauravas brothers, the Kurukshetra war and the triumphs of the righteousness over the evil. So it also includes the philosophical and devotional materials such as the discuss of the 4 goals of life. In Indonesia, the Mahabharata is known as the Bharat Yuddha, and Ramayana is known as the Ramayaniki, which is the national book of Indonesia also. Ramayaniki is the national book of the Thailand.
So apart from that, the Mahabharata, which is an ancient epic, has a total 18 parv and books, which is also in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. There are total 18 chapters with 800 sloka. So the first chapter is the Adi Parv Sabha Parv. It's my all experience regarding the Mana village. I hope all who likes my content regarding the Mana village and Badrinath, Sulesi. The snow mountain is visible from the here, but I'm not going to trek. So once again, thank you.